All right, here's our more practice. So which of the following statements about the opposites is true? So select all that apply. So not just one, not just two, all of them that apply. All right, so the first one, yes, we are going to take a look at a couple different things. So the first one says the opposite of 6 is -6. Well, is the opposite of 6 -6? Yes, it is. The next one, letter B, part B. So it says the opposite. So when you have a negative in front of parentheses, that means the opposite. That negative means the opposite of -9. So the opposite of -9, is that -9? No, the opposite of -9 is 9. So that's not correct. How about the opposite of 0 is 0? Yeah, well, opposite 0 is 0. How about the opposite of -1 is 1? Yeah, the opposite of -1 is 1. All right, let's take a look at this next one. So we have, I'll do orange here. The opposite of 8 is -8. Yes, it is. The opposite of -1 is +1. Yeah, it is. The opposite of -4 is negative. No, the opposite of -4 is +4, so that's false. How about the opposite of -1? That's +1, not 2. What? So our only two correct answers there are going to be A and B. Great job for that one.